everyone, how's everyone going? My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you something very unique. And I've been growing multiple channels, and this channel that I've been growing recently is just awesome. So if you actually watching this, you need to go to my community tab just to see the results of this brand new channel that I actually started not so long ago. And you can see the results of it in just by uploading 2 videos on the channel. Okay, so currently the channel is sitting on $102.72. But like I said, this is a brand new channel. And I think just when we started uploading the first video, we got like momentum right off the gate, right? And this channel is close to about 100,000 views at the moment, and it's just growing daily, right? So that's what this video is going to be all about. You choosing a particular niche that's not crowded, that's not saturated, and pretty much which is not mainly talked about on YouTube. Because if you look on YouTube, people are normally talking about same old niche, right? Make money online niche, luxury niche, tech niche, top 10, top 5, celebrity niche, right? But the niche that will get you the most amount of traction fast is a niche that's not actually spoken about on YouTube, right? So the way I actually find this niche is I go to incognito tab, and what I actually do, I just see on the home screen what's actually coming up on the incognito tab, and that's from there I actually start doing my research. So whichever faceless channel actually gets recommended from YouTube on the incognito tab, I click on that channel, I go to the video section, I click the video, and on the suggested section there's going to be a lot of different videos, right? And in there I just see and find other channels. If I keep finding channels, like probably 2 or 3 or 5, 10 different channels, and if I see what I can actually do differently to what's actually the other channels are doing, that's when I go ahead and start the channel. And I know right off the gate I will be getting a lot of traction fast, right? So this is something that you need to be aware of. And I recently made videos about this, talking about the same topic, reason why people don't get success on YouTube, because they choose the wrong niche. And if you actually have chosen the wrong niche, let me know in the comment section below. And how did you actually go about doing that, right? Did you make your channel work? Did your channel actually grow? What actually happened, right? Another common question I get asked on a daily basis, just wanted to take my time and answer these questions so you can understand, is why don't I get results and a lot of views on my channel, like this channel? All right, so I wanted to break things down. So for this channel, I don't put any effort, right? This is simple videos, very, I'm not putting any special animation. I'm not putting any special cuts. The thumbnails I pretty much create myself, right? So I don't actually hire any team to create videos on this particular channel. And when I actually have spare time, I just jump on in here and I share like what's actually working on my channel, right? So if I want to grow my channel, it's going to be very easy to actually grow this channel, right? I can get this channel to like a lot of views, right? And all the tips and tricks that I actually know, I can pretty much take this channel and start blowing up. But I just don't have time for this. I can hire a channel manager, I can hire a video editor, thumbnail designers, all those teams. But I know my channel's actually growing, so that's why I just don't focus too much time on this channel. I just want to share a lot of inside knowledge and value to you guys, so you can actually take this knowledge and apply onto your YouTube automation business. Okay, you might have seen a lot of channels, they're just running after views, right? Running after views. How can I get this much views? How can I be making this much money, right? That's the reason I just don't stress too much about growing this particular channel, right? Because hey, if I don't make money, I actually don't make any money on this channel, right? But I want to be very genuine to you. Just don't be sharing any sort of views and anything like that, right? The more views you get, I know the more money you're going to make. But in terms of getting a lot of views, you need to be spending a lot of time on your channel, right? Looking after the team, looking after the video edits, looking after the scripts. This all I'm talking about in here, like idea comes to my mind, I just come and make the video, like simple as that. I don't hire any team. That's the reason you can see my channel hasn't grown, right? So just for some people, they might be saying, oh, you have so much channels, like why don't you actually grow this channel? I just want to be genuine, right? I don't do any special cuts. That's the reason you don't see any sort of views, but that doesn't affect me, right? And I just come in here, share what's actually working. And but the most important thing that you need to realize is putting as much time to be finding the right niche, right? I keep saying this time and time again, and people out there just put a message in here and then take it out here. They don't actually do their own research, and they're spending money on the team. You need to be getting something out of, if you're hiring a person to be working in your channel, you need to be making money. If you're not making money, your business will actually dry out. You're going to be stressed out, right? So do your research, spend as much time onto finding the right niches that's not actually crowded. It's like you need to be finding a blue ocean niche. Okay, so another thing I get asked about Paul Hills's program, right? Awesome program. But if you join that program, reach out to me, because I'll be having a lot of bonus that I'll be giving to you. So that way you can actually start strong, right? And just to see like how everything goes and invest in your knowledge. That's the best thing that you can actually do, right? So again, thank you so much, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.